Hey, what's going on, guys? I thought it'd be pretty fun to pop in and out of this video with some commentary. So every once in a while you'll hear me give you a description of what's going on in the video. So yeah, Nate and I decided to go out to Hidden Falls Adventure Park to just do a shakedown run of our new suspension systems. Nothing too crazy, just kind of a light trail day. Wanted to make sure that we cycled through everything, make sure the lockers were working, and making sure we didn't hear any weird binding or any noises or anything like that.
Passenger.
So here's me on the first obstacle. Again, I just wanted to make sure that the lockers were working, make sure that when the Jeep was articulating that there wasn't any weird noises, but on this obstacle with these 40s, I could have done this a lot faster, but I wanted to just take my time and kind of cycle through everything, make sure the hydraulic assist is working great, and it was, by the way. It was it worked out awesome. But yeah, it kind of just walked right up this little obstacle here.
Straight. Keep going. You're good. You're good. Driver a little bit. There you go. 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 You're good. Perfect. You're good. You're gonna climb the ledge right now, so you're gonna give us a
Here's Nate going up this little hill. You can see the back end kind of slide out a little bit. Yeah, I think it slides out again here. Yeah, there it goes. Then he was able to get some traction and just walk right up there. His kit is I was really impressed with the Teraflex ST3 kit. It's very stable and controlled, and it seemed very planted. Man, it was like the perfect day that day. It was like 76 degrees out, very little humidity, no clouds in sight. It was just a really nice day.
driver a little bit. Right there. Yep. Slow. You're good. Driver. You're good. Keep that line.
So here's Nate coming down this little ledge here. Basically, I'm just trying to line him up so that when I go into my Jeep, I can take the same line, and just to kind of give you a comparison between the 35s and the 40s.
1 foot. Keep that line. Driver a little.
At this point, he's basically just telling me to get out of the way because I'm standing right in front of the Jeep, and from this point on, after this ledge, it's kind of steep. It just kind of goes downhill. You know, so he's just kind of being my voice of reason, telling me to get the hell out of the way.
You're dropping. You're coming down. Slow. Slow. Perfect. You got about a half a foot of clearance. Slow all the way down. You're good. You're about to come off right here. Slow coming off right here. Dropping, dropping, dropping. There you go. Good. Stable slow.
So here I am coming down. I'm just looking off to the side there just to make sure that I'm taking the same line he did.
You're good. Keep going. Perfect. Look at that.
Yeah.
You're good. Perfect. You're about to drop. Perfect. Passenger. Yeah, dude, that's like cake for you.
Here's wifey commanding the Jeep. She did a great job. I'm really proud of her, but And those 40s just, when you're outside the vehicle watching your own Jeep, it's weird, but yeah, those 40s are just, they make everything look easier.
You're good. Trying to get wifey into Jeeping. Maybe we can buy another Jeep. There you go.
Yeah, Nate and I really
good.
like these tires, the Nitto Trail grapplers. They do amazing off-road. On the road, they're super quiet too, and easy to balance. Yeah, the camera doesn't do this slope any justice. It's pretty, not only is it steep, but it was also, it was really slick. But we did fine getting down it. Yeah, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate you letting me use those clips. Go follow him, guys. He's a super nice guy, very knowledgeable, and I'm just really blessed to have such a good group of Jeepers on YouTube and Instagram that I can reach out to.
Good.
That's pretty awesome. So I could have dropped down in gear here to take this a little bit slower, but I wanted to use the brakes just to kind of feel things out. And man, I'll tell you, the big brake kit that comes with these axles, it did an amazing job. It really felt good. I may swap out to a JK8 booster master cylinder in the future just for some more stopping power, but I mean, as is, they felt really good.
Well, luckily we brought some extra water for the dogs.
That's good. We have another bottle.
One thing I noticed in this last outing is that Nate was able to take a lot of these back roads a lot faster, and I think that's due to the suspension system, the Teraflex ST3 kit, his old suspension system, and he'll tell you this, it wasn't cutting it, and it was making lots of noise, and it just didn't feel as good. But to see him take these back roads a lot faster, that just, to me, that tells me a lot.
Oh. What's up, bro?
You guys good?
Yeah, we switched.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I was like, you guys honked at us too, so.
Yeah.
We thought we saw something leaking,
Dripping.
and so we were watching.
But
and
it's
it was,
somebody else's
it was
marks.
Somebody else's, yeah.
Lauren is Nate's wife in the passenger seat. We didn't want to freak her out. But yeah, there was nothing leaking or anything like that. It must have been from another vehicle on the same trail. And of course, it wouldn't be right without us doing some kind of shenanigans. So here we are, just trying to stack on top of this rock. And it was probably a bad idea. I mean, that rock was super loosey-goosey, but you know, it is what it is. So on the Pro Rock 60, that tab for the ram is super low. I mean, it's almost as low as the tie rod. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get an Evo high steer kit, and I'm going to lift everything up. I'm also going to get a skid for the
Back
ram.
out. I don't know about doing it on that side, dude. With your hydro assist on that side. Yeah, right there. Good, perfect line, perfect line. Passenger, I mean driver. Your other driver.
Your military driver.
Yeah. You're good. Go straight. Give it some torque. Passenger. Passenger. Right there. Passenger. Passenger. More. Right there. Right there. Good, you're good. Right there, right there.
There's the clickbait right there. That'll be the thumbnail. So there you guys have it. We had a really good time. Like I said, nothing crazy, just a light trail day, just a little shakedown run of the suspension systems. But yeah, we can't wait to get back out there to really beat them up. Follow us on Instagram, and please like this video as it really helps me out. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Driver. Driver. Your other driver.